Hi, I'm Judy. I'm here to show you how to make 3 greeting cards, and all of the materials have been supplied for you and they can be picked up at the Harrison Township Library. The first card, you should have all the materials in your packet, and you're going to take the first card, and I have already glued this together. You're going to glue the polka dotted piece onto the solid piece and place that on your card to the right hand side, a little higher than the bottom, as so. And then after placing that there, you're going to take your printed material and place it on the solid rectangle and glue that at an angle below the polka dotted one, like so. And then there's a small paper that says Make a Wish, and on that you're going to need to take some markers or colored pencils and color it in. And then you're going to glue that piece onto the solid paper and just kind of move it around until you feel that you're happy with where it's centered. And then glue the solid one to the white one, like so. And then that is going to be glued onto the front of the card at a little slight angle. You can put it up higher or lower, however you choose. So your card is like this. Because we're not in person, I've gone ahead and printed the inside of your card for you. So that is the first card. Now on the envelope, if you'd like to make it a little bit snazzier than just a plain envelope, you can take this piece of paper here and glue the flap on your card, and then line up the paper on that card envelope so that it looks like this. And then you just take your scissors and trim off any excess to make it match the envelope. And then it just has a little bit of fanciness. So that is the first card. These are all birthday cards. Seems to be the common card that people would like to make. And this is the second card. So everything is in the envelope. Now this one you're gonna, oops, just jump down. This one you're gonna take the striped piece of paper and you're gonna line that up on the bottom of the card. Always make sure you get that glue on the edges so that it'll stick. And then you just line that up on the card. And now your second piece of paper with the flowers on it, you're going to match these stripes up with your stripes on the bottom. Now this paper is going to be larger, that way you can overlap it and you don't have to have any seams showing. So you're going to line that up right onto your card. Just like this. And then you have the white paper that says Celebrate You Today. And you're going to glue the back of that to the black piece of paper. And you just move that around until it's in a position that you like. And then you're going to use your glue stick on the back of that black paper. And you're going to put that on your card at an angle And when you do that, you're going to be covering up that seam that you have there so that it won't be seen. So your angle should make it line up right on your card. So that's how you'll know if you have it on there correctly. Like that. Then in your envelope, there's a small little flower, and you just put that wherever you would like it on the white part. And there you go. There's card number 2. Now if you have anything that's over the edge, I have just a little bit there. You see the black. And if that happens to you, you just take your scissors and just trim that right off. Okay, that is card number 2. Card number 3 is just a little bit different than normal. It's called a trifold card with a belly band on it. So this is the completed card. I'm going to pull the belly band off and stand that up for you. It opens up in a way that you're seeing several designs. Okay, so first of all, you're going to take the paper, the pink paper, and it should be folded in half, and fold that in and fold both on the creases, fold them both to the right so that it looks like this. Okay, then you're going to take the polka dotted piece of paper. It is two-sided. If you like the other side, you can use it, but I chose the polka dotted one. Put that glue on there. Make sure you get it on all the edges. You're going to put that on the thinnest strip, the one to your far left, and glue that on there. And you're going to take that second piece, the thinner of the flowered pieces, and you're going to put the glue on there, glue stick. Make sure it's on the edges, else it's gonna come off. And then you're going to put that right on that narrow strip and just line that up so that it's even. And so you should have this much so far. Then when you fold this pieces back, you'll have a large opening, and that's where you're going to put the other flowered piece of paper. So you just glue that. And then just center that on your paper also. Line it up so the edges are straight. And then your card so far is going to look like this. Then there should be a greeting that's already printed for you. You're going to open that up and put that right on the flat part on the inside. Okay, so now we have your card. It should look like this. Whoops, it should look like that. And then in your packet there are a couple butterflies, and this is optional if you would like to use them. I put one on here on the front of this card. You can put them either, whoops, you can put them on your card on the top or on the top and the bottom, just for a little extra decoration. Or if you have some embellishments, you can put those on there. And then for the belly band, there's a long strip in your packet, and you just take that and wrap that around your card like that. And then you're going to just take your glue and glue one side of that and close that up evenly. Like that. And there's, oops, I seem to, and there will be I'm just going to sort of misplace mine. Oh, it fell on the floor. wondering where that was. And then you have a little tab here, and I believe it's stamped on 2 sides, maybe. And then you just glue that to the center of your band, right in the middle. Put that on there, and that's your card. And then when the person opens it, all they do is just slide that band right off there, and then they have their card. Okay, that's the 3 cards we're making today, and I thank you for joining me, and have fun making your cards. Thank you.